Do I look like a Asian to you?
Those clips you just watched were created entirely with WAN 2.5, powered by Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies today. This is a brand new AI video model, and many people are already calling it the VO3 killer, and even the release that outperforms Sora in real-world creator workflows. And it doesn't stop there. WAN 2.5 supports native audio generation. That means you can generate high-quality speaking videos with precise lip sync. You can animate any photo with ease.
Damn, you're so strong. Can I get your number?
So you're not just creating visuals anymore. You can generate sound effects and even speech directly inside your video. Awesome, right? VO3, Sora, MidJourney, and WAN 2.5 all deliver fantastic results. Each has its own strengths and unique style. But now, let's take a closer look at the comparison so you can see for yourself how they stack up side by side.
We hold the line no matter the cost!
Alright, you can see that WAN 2.5 brings some unique features that really stand out compared to other models. And the biggest reason people are talking about it is simple. It's uncensored. That means no frustrating blocks, no filtered prompts, and no creativity limits holding you back.
Will you marry me, Tai Lung?
You have the freedom to explore more styles, more concepts, and even experimental prompts that other platforms would instantly reject. This uncensored flexibility gives creators real control, and it's one of the key reasons WAN 2.5 feels so different. Alright, that's enough for what I want to say about the basics. But here's where it gets even more exciting. WAN 2.5 also supports celebrities, stylized prompts, and internet-native language. That means you can remix any pre-built style or any celebrities you want, directly from the dashboard. Just upload your image, swap in a pre-built prompt, and instantly generate stylized results with ease. The model even supports up to 10-second videos at a maximum of 1080p resolution. That's already longer than almost every other model out there. And the best part, they offer daily free runs for everyone, which makes it perfect for testing and experimenting. But if you're a creator or if you want to produce videos faster and at scale, you can upgrade to their paid plans like the Ultimate or the Creator plan. These plans unlock unlimited generations and give you access to multiple video models, including full support for WAN 2.5. So if you're serious about creating, now is the perfect time to get in, because this unlimited usage deal is only valid until October 9, so don't miss out. Alright, now let's explore some popular visual effects. And this time, we're going to actually recreate one from the community. These are examples where users have already generated some outstanding videos, and we'll use them as a reference. So let's pick a deep visual effect and see how WAN 2.5 can process and handle it. First, simply select a video template effect. Alright, this visual effect, along with the motion and audio, feels incredibly fantastic, realistic, and cinematic. Now just hit Recreate. We'll rerun this example as it is. But remember, you can always upload your own image to change the input and make it unique. Next, set the duration to 10 seconds and switch on unlimited mode. Then just hit Generate. Now we wait a short while as WAN 2.5 does its magic and processes the video for us. And here we go. We've successfully generated a brand new video using a template from the community. The original video template was 5 seconds long, but we've recreated it here at 10 seconds. Now, let's check it out together. Pretty awesome, right? But that's not all. Higgsfield also comes packed with multiple other features and models you can try. From editing images, to generating completely new ones, to experimenting with different video types. For example, you can easily use the Lip Sync Studio feature here to create your own talking avatar clips. Or, if you don't want to mess with too many settings, you can simply choose from a ready-made template. Higgsfield even has a UGC factory section, where you can create or mimic any user-generated content video you like. Just preview the available options, pick the style you want to recreate, then upload your own avatar or product photo. Then you simply describe the action you want to see in the video. For example, maybe your girl is smiling, waving, or turning her head. Next, enter the audio text you want your character to speak. This becomes the dialogue in your video. You can also configure the vibe and motion of the voice, and even choose the language and accent you prefer. And here's another powerful touch. Higgsfield lets you add background sound effects to make your video feel even more realistic. For example, you can add the sound of rain falling outside the house, or the buzz of city noise in the background. Once everything is set, just hit generate. And in a short moment, you'll have a talking avatar, or a UGC-style video ready to go.
Love you guys.
Join us inside the 02 Launch Premium community.